Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to YouTube Premium step by step. First of all, open youtube.com and sign in with your account. Then what you have to do is simply select the hamburger menu on the top left corner, scroll down and select YouTube Premium. As you can see, I can try for 1 month without paying anything. So I'll get 30-day free trial, and then it will ask you if I'm individual or if I want to upgrade for my family. If I select family option, I can add up to 5 family members, which is 5 Google accounts who are 13 plus of age in your household. Or if you're a student, you can also apply for a discounted rate. So if you're an individual, simply select that, and then I will select try 1 month. And then it will ask you for your payment details. Then the amount will be deducted from your account, and congratulations, you are now a premium member of YouTube. Now I have premium written on my YouTube homepage. Now I can play any video without interruptions of any ad. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.